Straws have done a lot for us. They've helped us to drink. They've stopped our sensitive teeth from getting cold. They've even meant we can fire tiny paper balls across classrooms. Fun, hey? You're watching as this straw decomposes. It looks the same, doesn't it? That's because a single-use plastic straw takes 200 years to decompose. And while we've all been using straws, many have ended up in our oceans and harming wildlife. They're not sustainable at all. In fact, there's a whole lot of single-use plastics that are harmful to our ecosystem. Carrier bags, forks, bottles, you name it. Well, we've had it with single-use plastics at IKEA. This is the last straw. Literally, the last single-use plastic straw that we will serve or sell in any IKEA store in the UK and Ireland. And to prove it, we're putting it on display to remind us forever. It might seem like one small step, but if we work together, we can make big steps in protecting the home we all share and make single-use plastics a thing of the past.